Success is a lousy teacher. It seduces smart people into thinking they can't lose. The first rule of any technology used in a business is that automation applied to an efficient operation will magnify the efficiency. The second is that automation applied to an inefficient operation will magnify the inefficiency. Information technology and business are becoming inextricably interwoven. I don't think anybody can talk meaningfully about one without talking about the other. In the long run, your human capital is your main base of competition. Your leading indicator of where you're going to be 20 years from now is how well you're doing in your education system. Technology is just a tool. In terms of getting the kids working together and motivating them, the teacher is the most important. Climate change is a terrible problem, and it absolutely needs to be solved. It deserves to be a huge priority. If you can't make it good, at least make it look good. Your most unhappy customers are your greatest source of learning. Software is a great combination between artistry and engineering.